So, ladies and gentlemen, I just came from a birthday party to make sure all of you Virgin Galactic investors out there are on the top of the investing game, what Virgin Galactic stock is doing, okay? Today we went even up to 7%, guys. It seems for most of the people with no reason, but there is reason, okay? And we will discuss this obviously in today's episode. Thank you very much for tuning in from wherever you are watching from. Let me know in the comments below or in the live stream if you are live right now. Obviously, let me know where you are watching from. And let's have a look who we have here. So we have people from Prague. We have our member Ronnie Freya from Viva Las Vegas. We have people from Arkansas, Honolulu, Indiana, Maryland, USA, UK. We have people from Frankfurt am Main in Germany, FH Finance, also a good old member, Nottingham, England, USA, Connecticut, Romania, Germany, and Florida. Okay, so keep it going, guys. Keep it going. New Orleans as well in the house. NRV, Germany, Chicago, Quebec. So lots of interesting US, Chicago, you know, just keep on going. So let's have a look what the stock did today, because this will be the main topic. We ended about 3.70 points plus, which is not a bad day, right? If you see the overall market, the S&P 500 just finished flat. The Dow Jones a little bit positive, the Nasdaq a little bit negative. It seems that the stocks are a little bit volatile, right? They don't know where to go to, right? I mean, on the one side, we are waiting for the stimulus that was delayed. On the other side, you know, it will come. On the other side, there comes the election. On the other side, you know, it doesn't really matter who wins because the stock market goes up. And I will tell you why. Now, let's have a look into the agenda. We obviously welcoming new members that joined here to the community. We are welcoming some global breaking news. There's some very interesting news today. And finally, obviously, we diving deep into space. And I'm talking about the Virgin Galactic stock, obviously. So let me know, are you already invested into Virgin Galactic, or are you still waiting? Because if you are still waiting, then for sure there was this moment today where you thought, you know, man, I would like to be in this stock that's just going up and up and up, right? I mean, if you are thinking about like that, that's FOMO, fear of missing out, and obviously this is no good. There's questions asked, you know, from users, from viewers, and asking me, should I still go in now or should I wait that it goes down? Guys, remember, it might not go down, right? It can stay volatile. We can see maybe 14 again, 17, 18, which would be amazing to buy more. Or we will never see anything below 20, and you will wait and you will wait. And then you finally will buy at 40 because you will not have another chance. However, you know, let's dive directly into the comment section, because we have also people from Alabama, Guatemala, New Orleans, Alaska, Montreal, Ulm, Sydney, Marina. Yes. Okay, so thumb up also if you want to support me. make sure to thumb up. It doesn't cost you anything and means obviously the world to me. And let's just welcome a brand new member, Ultimate Wolf, Diamond Tier, Ahmed Al Salim. Okay, welcome in the house of the Wolves. And if you're still wondering what is that, well, this is the best community and membership out there from any YouTube investing channel. You just press the join button below all the videos, and if you don't see the join button, just make sure to change the browser, and then you will see that you can join one of those tiers. You can support the channel, you can get access to the Discord with the real Wolf, or you can get even one-on-one with me, which is the Ultimate Wolf, like Ahmed, and we can exchange about stocks and ideas and everything. You can write me emails and I will reply, and you can write me on Instagram, and we can go back and forth, talk about strategies, trading, and everything what makes money, right? Then we having positive news from Pfizer. Also another company beside Pfizer said also corona vaccines are coming, guys. It seems that they're coming even faster than I thought. Maybe already. So here we go. Maybe already in the beginning of, or the mid or the end of November, depending on how fast the approval time will take with the FDA, the Federal Drug Administration in the US, with this fast track approval. And then we might have, already the end of this health crisis, hopefully, because I want to get to normal, guys. I don't know about you, but it's all very, very strange out there. It's not feeling like how we humans should live. We want to interact, we want to be social, and we want to be it all over. I think we all agree on that. Then I have a second channel. Subscribe there if you don't want to miss any other content that I'm not posting here. I'm posting there daily, so make sure that you subscribe there. We crossed the 600 subscriber mark. This is absolutely fantastic. And then we are looking at the presidential election, because it's just I think 19 days away or something like that, 2 weeks. I don't know the exact date, but definitely some of you US viewers know. Let me know in the live stream when exactly will be the election. And guys, let me tell you, it doesn't really matter. Statistically, it doesn't matter who win, Biden or Trump, because in the end, stock market go up, okay? This is just pure statistic. It went up under Obama, it went up under Trump, so it doesn't really matter. And statistically, even after the election, the stock market goes up 5 percentage points. So, I'm glad when this will be all over and we can concentrate on really the important news. Then Nikola is tumbling 16% negative today, because it's basically saying that we can also go without GM, which was a huge driver for the stock of Nikola. Unfortunately, I'm trading with a trading account in Germany. This is my main trading account, and I didn't have the option to short Nikola. There wasn't any product, because when this company hits 30 billion market cap, which I'm sure Virgin Galactic will also be, which would be a 10x from here at one point, still I thought this is way too overvalued, and we see how crazy of a crash we had. I hope you were not in, Nikola. I just hope so much, okay? We said it always on the channel, Nikola is a very special stock, very speculative, so I hope that it was not one of those stocks that you went in and maybe are in the negative. Now, as I can see, we have also Baltimore people here in the house. Riverside, our Brian fail to member, okay? So thank you very much for joining. And the next one is maybe the reason why Tesla is a little bit, not that performing today and yesterday. Foxconn, the company that actually creates and builds the iPhones for Apple, announced that they will start to produce electric vehicles as well with their own platform, which they want to be something like the Android for electric cars. Very interesting as well, right? Because this is a huge company. I think 500,000 people work for this company. Can you imagine 500,000 people you don't know know many of your colleagues if you go into work, right? But there's huge companies out there, but this company is like gigantic. Then we are having Hertz is trading, I think, 97% up because they just announced DIP, which is a very special financing form. It's called debtor in possession financing. And let me explain it to you real quick for all of those that don't know the term. So basically, Hertz is in the bankruptcy, okay? They filed for bankruptcy. They suffered very much about the health crisis out there. So they are into the so-called Chapter 11, but with this DIP, they basically can say, okay, we want to get fresh money to keep on operating and see if we can get out of the Chapter 11. And for that, we get fresh capital, and we secure the capital with all our assets. So actually you can imagine that obviously, people who gave Hertz over the years, in terms of bonds or debt subscription money to the company, they have the right on the assets. But if they do a DIP financing form, they get fresh money and say, the security that usually is for old, people that finance Hertz will have priority for the new people that finance this deal, which is, a nice way or a last chance, let's say, to try to get out of that. So that's why Hertz absolutely exploded today, 100% in just one day, guys, okay? And this is what the Robin Hoods are out there, trying to shoot this Hertz chicken or Hertz duck. And I think there's a lot of people that are very happy today, okay? Still very, very speculative. It can be that we Monday will see, that the stock will go down 50% or so. So don't, I wouldn't touch it. I really don't want to touch it. But congratulations for those who had the balls to do that. So, further than that, we talked about Hertz. So, should we dive in Virgin Galactic? Should we? Then first, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny. Very easy to remember, and you can do it right now, obviously, or just after the stream. But I would prefer if you do it now, together with smashing or just pressing very, very gently the like button on this live stream. This would be highly appreciated. And then let's have a look if we have some questions, because before we diving into Virgin Galactic, there's some people out there, sitting in front of their iPhone watching the stream, or in front of the computer, right, or in front of the TV, and watching and saying, I have some questions. So go into the comment section and answer them, and exactly this is what we will do right now. So let's have a look. Wow, so many things to see. I'm investing into space. Great, congratulations. Then we have people that having 2022 calls. Very, very adventurous. Mr. Daniel Miller. Then what else? What else do we have? Get Branson to space already. Yeah, David, I would love to see that as well. I hope that it will be Q1, but on the other side, I hope it will be moved a Q1. Then we can, buy some more stocks on the dip. Then what else do we have? Already spoke about VG. Fabio, you are not late. We are just going into Virgin Galactic. So best regards to Italy. So, what else do we have? There is Dark Invader saying, found your channel since I was looking into Virgin Galactic couple of months ago, got into before the massive dip, then averaged it down, and now currently returns are amazing, but holding it until 2027. Well, this is very specific. Why 2027? Let us know. Yeah, and this is the thing. Even though the stock is very, very volatile, you can make a very nice average of your account, because even when you buy in the worst time, we are still so early on the other side that it's a fantastic mix to, even when you invested at 27, you can now buy and average down, right? And even if you average down already the last couple of days and weeks, then you have a nice average with 22 or 17 even, or 18. So I think that's pretty much very, very cool. Then people are asking about the test flights. We will talk about the test flights delays right now. What else? Hodl Space, yes. Virgin Galactic, Kamar is asking Virgin Galactic $25 this Monday. Possible if the market allows, but this would be more than 10%. So very, very, probability is maybe 2%. Okay. I don't think that Virgin Galactic goes up to $25 just in a matter of the next trading day, but you never know, right? We had days there just have to be this one analyst that say, there's so much potential and the stock will double. Then we see definitely jumps of 20 or more percent in just one day. Very volatile stock because there's so much potential, and some of the analysts trying to catch that because they missed anything else. So I think that's really, really, really interesting. So yeah, to the question if space will drop below 20, I don't know. People sometimes they wait. I will wait for a better price, right? I will wait for a better price, and they are waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and then they have to buy at 40 because the emotions, the FOMO, the fear of missing out, will catch you, and then you will be a very, very poor Virgin Galactic investor in that time, because you bought and you waited for this perfect price, which will never be there. And therefore, I always say, and to conclude this and then go to the Virgin Galactic stuff, I always say, if you really like a company and you think this is a great business, don't look at the price, okay? Don't look into the price. People will say, there will always be people that say this is overvalued, this is way too much. Invest into the business, and if the business grows and the company is great and they're making some nice returns and making some nice growth, then the stock price will follow, guys, okay? Very, very easy. Very, very easy. And if you have a long-term perspective, then this is even one of the most easiest and most well-paid jobs that you ever have done, together with us here in the community, obviously. So let's dive into it. So first news that was major was obviously the statement where I marked in red. They gave us a date, 22nd of October, for the next powered flight of the Spaceship 2. And now they are saying, we are not quite at the stage where we can confirm a specific planned flight date for either the VSS Unity or the VMS Eve test flights. However, they still want to go for later this fall. And now it's a very interesting question. What means fall in the US in 2020? Well, the fall starts on the 22nd of September and ends, because then it's the winter time, on the 21st of December. So this is our new window, okay? New window. So it can be that the next powered flight will be November. It can be also December, okay? So this will be the time frame, the new time frame that we are really, really, really need to be focused on in terms of the next test flight, okay? So this was, I think, one of the major news, because think about it, everyone thinking, nothing happens. And if there's a news coming out that they're saying, we are working our ass off to make this happen. And this obviously is a positive news, because something is happening. The next stage, the next big milestone is the powered flight. So you can see that this is obviously a bullish sign. Plus, another news was obviously that Mr. Dr. Alan Stern, explorer of Pluto, is joining on a Spaceship 2 flight funded by NASA and will do some research on board, right? So this is also interesting because this shows you how diversified the business actually is. Not only, tourists can go up, but, if the price is right, also they do some research with those spaceship flights, and this is obviously an amazing experience that this product can be used for entertainment, but also for very well paid missions, research missions. And think about it, if you want to shoot a rocket into orbit, it costs around $50 to $90 million, okay? And now let's say that Virgin Galactic is doing the same and saying, we make an individual flight only for this research. Maybe they can ask for $5 million, $10 million, which is still, 1/5 at least what, another company would do for this price. SpaceX, for example. So as you can see, there's a lot of very nice usage of this platform that Virgin Galactic built there, because it's not so expensive to go in low orbit for exactly those research missions. So I think this is very, very positive. And another thing I wanted to go in with you guys is the short volume. So as you can see here on the right side, you see the short volume of the stocks that being traded right now, and we're having a short ratio of around 21% of all stocks are short sold, which is more than 2 days ago, and about the same, a little bit less than a couple of days or in the beginning of October. So as higher the price go, and this is now very, very important, guys, so listen very, very carefully, okay? So the price go further up because we do some milestones. Then the short interest goes up, right? And then, we deliver and deliver and deliver, and the stock keeps on going up. And then you have the short squeeze, and then it's just like a rocket. And then we might see, $100 or $80 real quick, okay? Real freaking fast. Okay, so this is the option that can happen for Virgin Galactic stock. Very similar what happened with Tesla stock as well. So that's why I'm so excited too. This is also an argument to invest into Virgin Galactic, exactly those short squeeze stocks that are really, really, can go very, very fast high. This is something that I wanted to talk about, and I think that's pretty much it from and of course, guys, make sure to understand that 5th of November, big announcement, obviously. I think after the market closes, we will know more about the third quarter, obviously, and I'm very excited about this because it's always something that is showing us. Let's say it differently. I think on the last couple of earnings calls, there was always something that surprised us, right? There was last time the Mach 3 airplane, and before that there was a couple of other things. So it's always interesting to see what Virgin Galactic announced on those earnings calls, and I'm super excited. I think before it was NASA contracts as well. So it's always a little bit of a mystique if we see this one more thing, right, that they are promising us. And let's have a look into the stock chart right now. So we are having after hours a little bit negative, but that's doesn't matter at all because this can change until Monday anyway. But we had a pretty nasty ride today. Started with 22.11, went up to 23.24. So $23.24. Again, around 1 p.m. the same, 23.27, which marked the highest point today. And then we left a little bit to the closing, which was for sure some day traders that took some profits into the weekend. and we're very, very happy. Other than that, you know, if you are seeing I put something here, you might have seen it in the Virgin Galactic vlog already. If not, check it out after this video. You know, it's always very nice done. I'm wearing my spacesuit. I actually should have worn the spacesuit for today's live stream. I will promise you that for the next live stream of Virgin Galactic Friday. So yeah, so here's some couple of let's say scenarios that I put in. And the interesting part is that, you know, we are excited, we are exited this, you know. So this could be a topper trend line roof that actually there was the potential of bouncing off and going further down, but it actually exited this, you know, left it, and maybe this gave, you know, technically also another push for the stock go up today. So I think, you know, the further news for the test flight, the research mission confirmation, and this technical interesting scenario, and we still have, you know, a little bit air here in this area to grow even more. So I'm quite interested. Can I actually, let's make it how to make this here? Okay, I cannot. Can I? Oh yeah, here. Can I? Yeah, here you go. So here you see there's still a little bit of room to go further up. We have seen something similar here, where the stock actually, you know, hit the upper Bollinger Band, so then it went just down, and so we still have a little bit of room here as well. So let's have a look into those chat questions. We have people here. Let me have a look. So we answered the question about the 22nd of October flight. Good advice. I hope, you know, I hope all of this that I'm saying here, you know, makes you in the end of the day a better investor. I'm not a financial advisor, obviously, so you are doing all this by your own. I'm just giving you all this content and experience totally, you know, free of charge on an every single day basis. I don't make days off, just for you. And you know, if you still haven't hit the like button, that would make me very sad. But I know you hit it already. So what else? Yeah, so people, James, our James Pinkerton from London. Hi mate, I hope you're doing well. And what else? Detroit, baby. Yeah, we have people from Detroit. And then what else? Blue Origin had a successful launch on the 13th, just 3 days back. The new Shepherd. Yeah, you know, you see more and more of very interesting movements into the space industry, and you know, every single new milestone is obviously very positive. And yeah, I hope you have a fantastic start and the very best weekend that you ever had. Yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. Follow me on Instagram if you want to follow me more. I'm posting there almost daily about my life, about stocks, so don't miss that. And subscribe if you're a new one. If you like the content, thumb it up. And I would also love if you are joining our membership with joining the join button below the video or in the description, the link. I love you all. Have a fantastic Friday and stay safe and healthy, and be ready, because soon we will very much skyrocket with Virgin Galactic. Take care.